Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to close your Amazon account. What you need to do, just go to Amazon and log in your account, and then just scroll down and click help, and then just scroll down and you see here account setting and payment methods. Click here more in account settings, and then just type here close your account. You see here close my account. Click here and then click here close your account, and here the steps you need to do if you want to close your account. The 4 steps. Just click here close your Amazon account, and then just scroll down here, choose the reason why do you want to close your account. You can choose any reason here, and then okay, let me for example choose this one. I have another account, and then check the box and then click here, but I don't want to close my account. Just click close my account. This is what you need to do if you want to close your Amazon account. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.